Are you looking for the best smartphone? In this video, we will look at one of the best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So click the link if you would like to buy this phone. The only differences between the two are the chipset used and the names of the colorways they're going to be offered in. The 4G model gets the Snapdragon 680, and Glitter Aqua and Meteor Black, while the 5G iteration comes with MediaTek's Dimensity 6020 and Crystal Green and Mystic Black. Otherwise, the specs are the same. We're talking about a 6.64-inch Ultra LCD screen with 1080x2388 resolution, a 50MP main camera with a 2MP depth sensor next to it, a 16MP selfie camera, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of expandable storage, and a 5000 mAh battery with support for 44W wired charging. The phones run Android 13 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 13 on top. Dimensions are 164.06 by 76.17 by 8.07 mm, while weight is 202 grams. The 4G Y36 has a recommended retail price of 3,399,000 Indonesian rupiahs, which amounts to approximately $226 or €211 at the current exchange rates. It's still unclear how much the 5G version will go for, or when these will make it to other markets. As per the official Indonesian page listing, the ViVO Y36 4G comes with Snapdragon 680. On the other hand, the 5G version is expected to feature Dimensity 6200. And that's pretty much the only difference between the device's 4G and 5G versions. The rest of the specs are basically the same, so both ViVO Y36 phones come with a 6.64-inch Ultra LCD screen. The panel has a 1080x2388 resolution and runs at a 90Hz refresh rate. Considering the fact that the devices are within the mid-range price category, these specs are really good. Camera system. When it comes to the camera, the ViVO Y36 sports a 50MP main camera and a 2MP depth sensor on the back. And on the front, you will find a 16MP selfie camera in a centered punch hole. The phone boasts a 5000 mAh battery, which can charge at 44W wired. So, the battery and camera specs are also decent for the price. Main highlights. Other specs include 8GB of RAM, 256GB of expandable storage, IP54 rating, and Android 13 with the FunTouch OS of ViVO on top. That said, the ViVO Y36 4G is currently listed at 3,399,000 Indonesian rupiahs, which is around $226 or €211. You can pick it up in Meteor Black and Glitter Aqua colorways. However, ViVO did not disclose the price of the 5G version yet.